If you're in the finance niche, you're going to like this site. This is a huge site. I personally didn't realize that till I did a research on this site. We have seen a couple of websites in the debt niche, in the personal finance. This is like an overlap. It has many things. It has the make money, save money, budgeting, credit scores, bank accounts, so many investing. So what I did is that I just wanted to show you the site overview. Okay, here you can see that. Look at the domain rate ranking 78. Okay, and you can see that there are 14,500 referring domains and it's ranking for 626,000 keywords and up by 20,000 keywords. Okay, the huge organic traffic, the traffic value is also huge, and there is a good mix of to follow and no follow links. And also if I pull it up with SEM Rush, you can see that here also it's just a huge search traffic. There's even it's showing a different account of backlinks, but 3 million backlinks. Even whatever the number, that is a huge number, right? And then you can see it gets a lot of traffic from US, Canada, and then India, and then Australia. And there is recently they've added this keywords by intent. Okay, and you can see that 54% of their content is informational. Then there is 22% which is of the commercial base, like suppose you're searching for a credit card or something like that. What is a which financial app, so that is which has a commercial intent, so, or a course. So 22%. So look at the mix. 54% major portion is informational, then they have 22% of commercial, and then there is again a transactional. Okay, so you can see the massive amounts of traffic here. You can look who are their competitors. We'll be going through many of these in this series because this series is so huge. Just wanted to go through as many as I could. So let's look at the top pages. If you look at the top pages, you can see that they are talking about, no, this is the previous one. Let's look at this one. Okay, so let me pull up the top pages here, and you can see that these are I pulled up the keywords, and what I have done is that I have taken a minimum keyword difficulty of maximum keyword difficulty of 30, means so that most of my audience can try to aim for those keywords. So you can see the URL structure. You can see what is the keyword difficulty, what's the CPC. So the search volume, the different types of keywords which are targeted, like the online flea market. Then there's different, like make money. You can be a cat trainer and have a side gig as that. You have opportunities to earn income from mystery shopping, things like that. So I pulled that data out and I have put the data here. So I'll be sharing it on this blog post in the, if you can find it on Indian Mom Vlogs under the unique blogging ideas, right? Let me look at the top pages here. So you can see 100 plus pages, places that will give you free stuff on your birthday. That's the top. That's a birthday freebies. This is something very new to me. I actually wouldn't have thought of such a thing. That's no wonder they are ranking. I mean, they're so unique. Free TV apps that will let you cut cable but keep the content. How awesome is that? Look at that. Then this is the URL, 100 plus places that will give you free stuff for this particular URL, they are uh, getting visits from 4,289 keywords. Different ways people are searching and landing on this, and their potential value, okay, that is $31,000 is just from this particular URL. This URL, they're saying it's worth is around $29,000, and it's getting visits from 9,200 variations of keywords. Then you have sell gift cards online on these 5 sites. Paper money value by serial numbers. Okay, so you can see the sheer volume here on the right hand side, and they are ranking. They are almost on position 1 for so many keywords. Okay, cheap home decor sites, so stores, car wrap advertisements. These are all their top ranking keywords. If you would like to research further, what you need to do is that you have to just check out these keywords. Click on that, get the keywords, and then you need to find the keywords which you think that you can rank for. So what again, you'll have to just sort by the keyword difficulty, limit the keyword difficulty. So for example, I can say that only I want keywords with the keyword difficulty max up to 10, and then you can see that still there is a 5,200 search volume for birthday freebies, and there's an opportunity for these all. See, this looks like a very good keyword, birthday freebies, because see the variations. You can get Dunkin' birthday rewards, free birthday stuffs, free bun cakes on your birthday. All that has been included. The thing of these sites is that they write content which is like so intense, so long. Like see this, this is a mega list of places: Applebee's, Baja Fresh, and then Buffalo Wings, Chili's. And what you get there, you get a free sundae here, you get some rewards here, you can sign up for some email club, you can get some perks with the rewards program. So basically it's just a curated list of all the things around 103 sites. And because they're including this word world market, if you see they're ranking for that particular, like so free stuff in Florida, because there is Florida included somewhere there, in Gainesville, in Petersburg. So they have included the location for some. They have included the thing like a bun cake. They have included what is the kind of membership program or the rewards program. So this is a mega list. I will put some of these keywords. I will not put this URL though. I'll just put the keyword, the volume, the difficulty, and the CPC on the blog. Okay, so you can find that link and figure which one works for you.